value not just the events and the membership, but everything that comes with that. So there's the lobbying, there's the information, seminars, the online events where we get to learn about, destinations and, client expectations and all those kind of things. Because, a lot of those things you can do at your desk while you work. So ETOA, they tell us what's going on with, with the governments, with visas, with, the broader issues that affect us as a business.
We're looking for a way to find tour operators and potential partners across the European region. We'd heard good things from ETOA. They've been on our radar for a long time, and we finally joined them very recently. It's the first event we've come to today. We're very pleased with how the event's going. We've got 2 buyer tables, and it's provided a really good opportunity to meet and network, not only with tour operators, but with potential partners and OTAs as well. And of course, it also opens the doors to the whole European market. So there's a Nordic marketplace as well I've got our eye on, and a GEM event ahead of WTM. So all in all, seems like a really good network across multiple regions.
We've been ETOA members since 1997. I've just established. And over that time, our membership value has grown enormously with a number of new events. They're established in the calendar, and we certainly wouldn't want to miss them because it gives us the opportunity to meet with our clients from all our long-haul markets, our European markets, to sort business for the next coming years, and it's extremely valuable.
Since that, I've been to GEM in October, which I found very interesting and made lots of different new contacts. And it's great the way that we get the information via email. Your ETOA are constantly updating us with what's happening around the world.
We've been part of ETOA since 2001. Many of the great opportunities we get from ETOA is, number one, being able to attend workshops like today. The BIM, always a brilliant workshop. The GEM is unmissable. But then the other things, what you do on your platforms when you're having the meetings, we do playbacks on those. We've actually been to a Scandinavian show you did last year. And also you're a source of information to go to, anything what's changed in the industry. So it's vital that we are members of ETOA.